What's good, y'all? We back for another one.
It's your boy OJ.
Tay.
And it's Tay. You know, we had to hop on the trend and talk about cooking with Kaya.
Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya.
Everybody's talking about her.
We're reacting to one of my favorite YouTubers. He's giving his opinion about the cooking with Kai situation.
Let's get into it.
Honestly, I think the cooking with Kai situation is her page is meant to attract males. Like her page is for male validation. Like no tea, no shade. Don't get me wrong, she's very pretty. Her body is tea, but my thing is don't sit there and be like cooking with Kai when you're not even cooking. All you doing is literally you already made the food already, and all you doing is just dancing. It should be
Shut up.
or better yet, winding with Kaya. It's just like don't make it seem like something that it's not. Like don't be like I'm cooking, but you're not really.
She was cooking, babe. She showed us.
Man with his dinner I just cooked, bro. Take a good look. Welcome to another video with Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya.
And she lives so how she cooks it, man. The fuck is he talking about, bro?
Cooking to me. She putting the butter on the asparagus. Look like she cooking. She putting her that garlic paste.
Hey, this nigga funny, cuz I ain't gonna lie.
Stab the steak, seasoning it up with a little garlic, hitting it up with a little, a little seasoning black pepper. Look like she cooking to me. It look like she cooking to me. Right? She's cooking. The young lady who past video says she's not even cooking. She just should be called Dancing with Kaya. Is this not cooking? Is this not showing you?
Right.
Now look, what ain't that she basing it? What y'all chef?
What is this not cooking, I guess, man?
This ain't cooking.
This ain't cooking.
On y'all everything, right?
No, it makes sense that she would say that. She must not know how to cook. She don't know what cooking is because she think that this ain't cooking. This right here is dancing. This right
mama,
here is
twin.
why she not getting married. Oh my gosh. Do your job. Get back in the No, I'm playing. But kinda. We like that kind of stuff. Most of us, unless you Travis Hunter, Travis, whatever his name is, unless you a simp, we like that.
There's no way y'all in me comment talking about she twerking. Like y'all ass don't twerk. You got sex red over here. Twerking.
Yeah.
These hoes don't know how to cook at all, but she just twerking, cuz.
Take it off when you finna nut. Told him shoot that shit on my butt. He got a bitch, I don't get no fuck.
Period, clan.
Hands on your knees.
I just feel like they're hyper focusing on the wrong thing.
Yeah.
Y'all are so worried about her. Y'all don't like girls who shake their butts. Hold on. Now y'all care about what we think. Man, come on now. We're not gonna play this game.
How they talking about, oh, she said she's gonna steal our man. Why y'all so scared of that? She can't steal him through a screen.
Come here now,
Oh,
nigga.
you insecure.
Ooh.
I don't know. It sound like you a little insecure because somebody online cooks.
You got these hoes out here singing in songs. They'll take somebody man and y'all sing this shit lyric by lyric,
Religiously.
and get mad when
Hater
she says
nigga
this shit
alert.
like she just directed it at you, man. She probably did though, cuz it's the way you take it though.
Okay, to play devil's advocate.
Go ahead, brother.
She is dressed provocatively.
She is.
That is for men. Absolutely for men. It's smart. You want to make some money. Two things men love: food and half naked or naked women. We love that.
Yeah.
That's smart.
Yeah, man.
Y'all support OnlyFans, so I don't know why you wouldn't support a woman cooking it half naked.
What it looks like is 90% cooking.
But
She might shake it every now and then. There's a hyper focus on what she's doing. But worry about what's important, the kitchen.
They just mad they can't cook, bro. It ain't even cause she twerking, cause y'all twerk too, man.
Like, you wouldn't be so worried about your man leaving if you were secure.
The only comparison that could be made, if you think about it like this, if that man has a job, you're not gonna be looking at another man that has a job.
No, you're not. Because he's
If
doing
my
his
wife
job.
is cooking, doing her job, you won't be looking at another woman
Go ahead,
cooking
bro.
because why? My wife cooks. I love her cooking and she be half naked. Great. What am I online looking at?
You ain't lying.
But all I'm saying is,
Do your job. And if he steps out, then that's on him.
that's on him.
You know what
That
I'm
just
saying?
means he's not a good man.
Right.
You need to leave.
If your man do like her, bro, you gotta get rid of the man. Don't hate
There
on
you
the
go.
woman, cuz.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
She doing y'all a favor.
I be looking at the comments. The comments don't be talking about nothing sexual. It's just like, that's dope. That looks like some good food. I'm hungry right now.
Hey, I see.
Now, some of them be a little dirty, but
That's a few. We're not oblivious. We're not ignorant.
but most dudes aren't talking about it. We know. We might know what her body looked like, myself not included. Don't you dare put that dog up there.
Look. She cooking. She cooked the meal. She cooked the meal. This her page. I don't know if this is her real page or not. She been going crazy, right?
Me and my boyfriends last
Look.
week asked me did I know how to make
Let's see
smothered
if she
chicken.
cooking.
Yes.
Beautiful. She cooking.
Cuz she said your boyfriend.
What the hell?
She funny as hell, twin.
What's up with the young ladies? Now the young lady that just said something, she beautiful too. Why you getting online saying she ain't cooking? Did you make the video to hate, or you actually
Right. Right.
It's a few it's a few females. I'm gonna find the other video I saw earlier, right? She's cooking.
Cool. Where you from, man?
What's wrong? She having fun cooking.
And girls don't realize when they hate, they might not know when they be hating.
If you start out saying,
They expose
I'm not
themselves.
hating, but
You
stop.
exposing yourself.
Stop it. Get some help.
And if you start this video talking about something, I'm not hating on Kaya, but I don't know how to cook, but shut up.
No.
You're done. I'm not up here saying, I'm not Duke Dennis. Why don't you guys like me? We wait our time. Be patient, you know what I'm saying? Either work on yourself or not, but don't be upset at Duke Dennis. Don't be mad at him.
You stole my girl.
No, your girl went because she was always going. She was never yours.
Yeah, man.
The why was
You
silent.
just
Okay. And I don't mind her whining and stuff like that. My real problem is when she's talking about some I can
look how mad she look.
or I do, or I
That's what it is. That hit a nerve. It's in the
I could take your man.
can take your man and all this extra stuff. Girl, if you gonna take the money from the man,
Could you?
Ask yourself.
Could you keep that man, or would that man leave you? It sounds like you insecure.
Sound like you got a weak relationship.
It
fuck?
sounds like you need to learn how to cook better.
Every girl said this before. You acting like she the first one to say that shit.
Yeah.
These be the main.
Oh, come on now.
Yeah.
The low value women. They're feeling threatened because their ATM just might leave the house for a plate of Kaya.
It where my money going.
That, I praise God. Thank God, my woman know how to cook.
Eating out, Kaya. Now
That's crazy word.
This is what they're talking about.
This right here, I can see why you might want to leave your man.
Yeah, man.
the money from the men, get the views and the clicks and the likes from these men, and go get your money and be about your day. Be honest, ladies, if you don't know how to cook, you don't know how to cook. Like, you don't have to. I hate this little thing that everybody gotta learn how to cook. No, some people
Okay.
better at cleaning, some people better.
I feel like she's projecting. Kaya did not say in this video, you need to learn how to cook. She just said, I'm gonna cook
But she
and
not-
I'm gonna steal your man.
But she,
You see how in the beginning, food, she was whining and shit.
Right.
My thing is, don't sit there and be like cooking Makai. We're not even cooking. All you doing is literally, you already made the food already, and all you doing is just dancing.
And then try to act like she on the side at the end.
And get the views and the clicks and the likes from these men, and go get your money and be about your day.
And Kaya's like, no, I love cooking and I love cooking for my man and I serve my man. And that's what kills him. That's not Kaya's fault. If this is what Kaya came up doing, you can't be upset because of that. This is her
Hey,
brain.
see how all these video food or girls cooking and shit, she made these girls do that shit, man.
Yeah, now if
See
Kaya
the
starts,
clueless and she cook.
and Kaya might just actually start a trend. This might be the beginning of a good era.
on me, she might be turning some hoes into some housewives.
Families might actually unite all because of Kaya.
On me, some people might be cheating because of her too. Hey, I'm just being
Oh
honest.
man, it's funny how that pendulum, it just swings back. It went from I'm not your mother, I'm not cooking for you. Now I gotta cook for my man, otherwise Kaya. Yep, that's how you should think.
Exactly.
Every time you look in the kitchen, you better see the ghost of Kaya, that motherfucker.
But it's been said, I guess for women, but it's for both. You know, what you won't do, another man will. What you won't do, another woman will. Find somebody that's compatible with you. I understand what she's saying. Not everybody's good with cooking.
Right.
That's great. So find you a cook. I mean, look, if you want a man, most men want a woman that can cook.
And they don't want a headache. You know what I'm
Exactly.
saying? Oh, men are easy. Okay, so why can't you keep one?
So these women that try their best and bring her down, saying she's 17 and all that.
She's 17.
She's not 17.
They seen this shit, ran with it, fool.
Kaya, keep doing your job.
Voting, like, just stick to your talents. Like me, I like baking. Like anything with cookies and stuff like that, I could do. But anything that like really cooking, hard cooking, I can't do.
And that's okay. But
You
pull
lost.
her down and pull her down and make a video saying she ain't doing something when she doing.
Thank you.
But hold on now. Look what she said. She said, I can't do it. I can learn it.
Right, you
That's
can.
all you need to do.
You gotta
all you
do. You
learn.
didn't have to make this video, twin.
All we
I'm
ask is
saying.
that you be willing. You don't gotta be great. Just be willing.
Nobody's asking you to be Gordon Ramsay in the kitchen, bruh.
The cook, man.
It's just that when you say I can't and I don't want to, and it's like, okay, when he get away from me,
I mean,
don't be mad at women like Kaya.
They the reason why
Focus
she
on
up.
learning that. I'm saying, all you hate is just fueling, giving her more money. So you doing what you're doing, I guess.
Now, I don't know this young lady who talking down on another black lady, but this is ridiculous, man.
Oh, thank you.
Girls. And I just love how y'all keep exposing y'allself.
Yeah.
Girls thing ain't real. I've been saying
So
the
let me say
girls
this.
thing wasn't real for a long time, and everybody thought that I was just being mean. But now everybody's finally getting to see that I wasn't being mean, I was being honest. It's not real. Y'all are mad, and I'm gonna say jealous, that there's a bunch of men making videos talking about how attractive this Cooking with Kaya girl is. And she is a nice looking girl with a nice natural body.
Yup.
And y'all are sitting up talking about, I don't get the hype. I don't get the hype. Let me sit you
you
down
hating?
and look you in your face when I tell you this. It's not for you to get the hype. It's not for you, right?
Go cry about it.
If men are getting online and saying that they find her to be attractive, you questioning why they find her attractive is weird.
Thank
You
you.
said some shit like this, cool. And it's true. It ain't for y'all to know, bro.
You know, y'all have what y'all like to watch. We have what we like to watch.
There you go.
Now, we may not understand why you like to watch what you watch. We don't really care.
We don't care.
And some things we do understand, but again, we don't care.
So it's like I said, we gotta do better.
Support one another.
Support.
Yeah, they about it.
Like I said, quit hating on Cooking with Kaya. She ain't did nothing. She just doing what she loves to do. And y'all got a problem with it. Don't hate the player, hate the game.
Right.
You get good at it.
Let's make these people mad.
Let's get it.
Hey, y'all just go learn how to cook, man. That's what y'all mad about.
Oh no.
All right, y'all. That's the video. Let us know what y'all think in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe. And share. And we're going to catch you in the next one.